Coinbase faces déjà vu. Oregon AG revives SEC allegations in high-stakes state suit. Coinbase, US crypto regulation. As federal regulators retreat from crypto enforcement, a state lawsuit resurfaces old securities claims against an exchange, raising questions about legal consistency and investor safeguards across jurisdictions. Last updated, April 18, 2025. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 18, 2025 at 21:23 GMT+3. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Oregon's decision to revive the SEC's dropped lawsuit against Coinbase exposes the fragmented and unpredictable nature of U.S. crypto regulation, as state authorities continue to pursue enforcement actions even after federal agencies have ceased their efforts. To justify this, Oregon argues that local consumer protection is more important, while Coinbase and others warn that such lawsuits risk undermining bipartisan efforts for clear, nationwide digital asset legislation. With the ongoing advancement of federal crypto bills and the SEC's backing away from aggressive enforcement, Oregon's case suggests that regulatory uncertainty persists in the U.S. The Attorney General of Oregon, Dan Rayfield, is preparing to file a lawsuit against Coinbase, similar to the charges brought by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, that were dismissed earlier this year. The new enforcement action, expected to be filed on Friday, alleges that Coinbase operated as an unregistered securities platform and offered staking services without proper registration. Claims that resemble those in the SEC's now-dismissed federal case. Oregon is picking up where Gary Gensler left off in new legal attack. Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal announced the pending lawsuit on X, describing the case as a copycat of the SEC's original enforcement action. He added, as a reminder, the SEC dismissed that case with prejudice. This type of political jockeying is an embarrassing waste of Oregon taxpayer dollars. The SEC's case, filed in June 2023, accused Coinbase of acting as an unregistered broker, exchange, and clearing agency, and of facilitating the trading of at least 13 crypto assets considered unregistered securities. It also challenged the legality of the company's staking-as-a-service program. The federal agency dropped the case in February 2025 following a broader shift in regulatory tone under a new SEC administration, which has since moved away from the aggressive enforcement approach championed by former Chair Gary Gensler. Now, Oregon's Attorney General appears to take up the same arguments. According to a report from Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terrett, Rayfield has informed Coinbase that the state will pursue charges involving unregistered securities offerings and staking services. Coinbase says the Oregon AG's office explicitly told the company they were picking up where the Gary Gensler SEC left off. Coinbase responds to state-level enforcement. Coinbase criticized the lawsuit as an outdated attempt to impose a regulatory regime that is no longer backed at the federal level. This is exactly the opposite of what Americans should be focused on right now, Grewal said. Coinbase argues that continued state-level enforcement actions risk undermining those efforts and creating further regulatory uncertainty in the U.S. crypto industry. We've never been closer to bipartisan legislation for digital assets, and this backward lawsuit does nothing to protect consumers or solidify American leadership, continued Grewal. Despite the legal challenge, Coinbase confirmed that its operations in Oregon will continue without interruption. The company stated that it is prepared to defend against the lawsuit and remains confident in its legal position. SEC's shift on crypto enforcement unravels as states follow suit. The SEC's February dismissal of its high-profile case against Coinbase marked a turning point in U.S. crypto enforcement policy. The agency, now under the leadership of acting chair Mark Uyeda, has shifted away from the aggressive stance adopted during Gary Gensler's tenure. Gensler had pushed to classify most cryptocurrencies as securities and targeted staking services as unregistered offerings. Coinbase's legal victory triggered a domino effect, with Vermont, South Carolina, Kentucky, and Illinois quickly abandoning their cases. The SEC also quietly dropped actions against Consensys, Kraken, Robinhood, and Ripple, highlighting a clear pivot under the new leadership. Despite this shift, Oregon's revival of the SEC's original case against Coinbase now stands out, rekindling tensions in an otherwise cooling regulatory climate. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). How might state-level lawsuits impact national crypto legislation? By highlighting conflicting rules, state lawsuits can prompt lawmakers to craft cohesive crypto laws. SEC Chair Uyeda urged temporary guidelines to prevent fragmented state oversight. What precedent does Oregon have for crypto enforcement under state securities law? Oregon's securities law covers crypto. In 2024, the state's Division of Financial Regulation settled with a platform over unregistered yield crypto products, highlighting its enforcement power. What criteria do courts use to decide if a crypto token is a security? Courts apply the Howey test, assessing if there's a money investment in a shared venture with profits expected from others' efforts. When all four prongs are met, the asset is deemed a security. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price size $2.20 breakout amid settlement buzz and whale activity. Is $27 next? What just happened to HBR? Hedera tanks 5.6%. Is a bigger crash coming? All goes one. Can this AI trading bot grow your portfolio in 2025? Industry talk. Sleeper pick Onyx coin surges 195% in 2 days. Is this the next market mover? April 11, 2025. By Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. Solana price eyes $200 milestone in 2025 as momentum builds, upward trend. 6 days ago. By Arslanbut. Price analysis. Bitcoin holds above $84,000 as institutions double down, gold-backed crypto surges. 4 days ago. By Arslanbut. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025, top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. 10 hours ago. By NSS, Tavares. 11 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now, upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Anatol Antonovasai. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 5 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. 13 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.